Black Bengal goats farming is a lucrative business with proper planning and care. Black Bengal goat farming is very popular, especially in Bangladesh, some parts of India. As the name suggests, the Black Bengal goat is from Bangladesh. Black Bengal goat is very breeds good meat goat and baby production. There are as many breeds of goats in the world. Among them, Bangladesh's Black Bengal is the best in the world. Black Bengal goat meat is as delicious as the demand and price of leather is much higher in the international market. Black Bengal goats have higher baby production capacity. Black Bengal goats give birth to multiple kids twice a year and at the same time. Suitable for production of Black Bengal goats in any climate. Black Bengal goat production is suitable in most climates. Black Bengal goats are generally raised both in small scale